All right, welcome to lesson 7. We're going to continue working with rational equations, solving them, and evaluating the solutions that we get. Okay, so to start off with, you're going to go ahead and solve this equation here for x, and you want to, of course, prove that each solution you find is indeed a correct solution. If you find that one of your solutions is not, you want to go into detail about why that is. I want you to persevere in solving this problem. So note the time on the clock or set a timer for yourself, 15 minutes, and push yourself, even if you find that you get stuck, to use strategies that we've spoken about over the past week or so, and perhaps in the first semester, in order to solve this problem. And don't press play until those 15 minutes are up. If you find a solution, use our strategy for proving whether that solution is correct to check your work. And then only once you've spent a good chunk of time doing that, go ahead and press play. I want to make sure that you're spending this time, so I want you to mark where you're finished with your own work and then where you begin with the solution that I provide if you have to change it in any way. Alright, so those are the solutions. If those are not the solutions that you came up with, I want you to think about the situation that must be in order for you to find two solutions. And once you realize that, go back to your work and sort of note where that might show up. And if you are struggling and you have a couple of questions, write those questions down so that we can get them answered when we meet in our groups on Monday. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and move on to a new problem. Okay, so the goal of this problem is for you to identify a situation which we've alluded to but perhaps have not seen an example of yet. So go ahead and copy down this problem in your notes, and again, spend another 15 minutes working through it on your own. Once you've completed it, you want to go back to those key points that we've been noting and add your own key point regarding what you've discovered. If you are having trouble with any part, write down a question with regards to what you're struggling to do. So what I'm going to be looking for is either your completed solution and your new key point, or the questions with specifics as to what it was you were struggling with.